Mental addition of large numbers. Let us use a different technique for mental addition of two large numbers. In this technique, we break the number into tens and ones and then add. Write 14 plus 16 as 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. We now have three tens. Add them. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30.